Removing a door panel on a 2023 and up Toyota Prius requires finding some hidden bolts, so let's get into the details of what it takes to pull that door panel off. We get started in the armrest pocket here, which has a sliding door, so you'll want to take a plastic trim tool and slide this door down in order to expose a bolt that's inside here, which will be our first point of loosening. Once that's loose, we'll want to move up to the actual door handle itself, and again, we'll use a plastic trim tool to pop off this plastic cover behind it. This will allow us to remove the second bolt holding the door panel in place. Once that bolt is removed, we can move down to the window switch area, and once again, we'll use a plastic trim tool to pop the window switch assembly up, and then we will remove two electrical plugs and set the window switch off to the side. This exposes the third and last bolt holding the door panel in place. So once this is removed, we can stash it safely, and now we can start popping the door panel off. I find it easiest to start down in the corner by the speaker grill and then work my way around the bottom of the door panel to slowly remove it before sitting on the door sill of the car in order to get the top corner so the door panel doesn't fall on the ground as it's fully pulled off. Once the door panel is separated, you'll want to take one of your plastic trim tools and remove this clip at the top, which is capturing the cables going to the door lock and the door handle. Now that we have some space to work with, we're just going to pop off each of those cables, and they just slide right out and rotate out of their respective holes. And this will now free up our door. You can now work on the inside of the components in the door panel, whether that's the speaker system or any of the other components that are in there. Installation is the reverse of removal, so you'll want to start by reconnecting those door lock and door handle cables to the door panel. Once the door panel is aligned, you'll want to pull out the cables for the window switch and carefully push the door panel clips back into place. You can continue by replacing the 3 bolts we removed earlier, and once those are in place, all that is left to do now is to return all the plastic trim covers back into their original location.